Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is Introduction to Book and Paper Pattern of Second Year. Subject English. This is Intermediate English book for class 12. It is edition of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa textbook Peshawar Board. Now coming to contents of the book. Unit number 1. Unit number 1 is Vision and Mission. It has 3 readings. First one is the farewell sermon. 1.1 is the farewell sermon. It is a speech. 1.2 is Jinnah's vision of Pakistan. It is a speech. And the blades of grass. It is a poem. Then there is some grammar work, parts of speech, noun phrases, noun clauses. Unit number 2 is hope and aspiration. 2.1 is I have a dream. First one is speech, glory and hope. This is also a speech. And I dream a world. It is a poem. Then some grammar work, pronouns, relative pronouns, pronoun antecedent agreement, and then articles. Unit number 3, duty and responsibility. This unit contains 3 readings. First one is lesson from the Battle of Uhud. It is taken from the history. Then Lincoln Gorge. It is a story. And then a poem, If. Some grammar work, tenses, verbs, moral verbs, transitive verbs, and intransitive verbs. Now coming to unit number 4. Unit number 4 is courage and determination. This unit contains 3 readings. First one is determination. It is a story. The man who planted trees. It is also a story. And if it could not be done. It is a poem. Then some grammar work, adjectives, adjective phrases, and adjective clauses. Unit number 5, technology and gender inequality. First one is technology and society of the future. This lesson is in a form of essay. Gender inequality is determinal to society. This is also in the form of essay. The schoolboy, it is a poem. Then some grammar work, adverbs, adverb phrases, adverb clauses, prepositions and prepositional phrases. Unit number 6, cultural heritage, the past and the present. Archaeological treasures of Pakistan. The lesson is in a form of essay. Renaissance, it is a form of essay. A poem, Once Upon a Time. Then some grammar work, figures of speech, narration, and voices. Unit number 7, tales from Shakespeare's. This unit contains 2 readings. First one is The Merchant of Venice, and the second one is King Lear. Then some grammar work, paragraph writing, essay writing, and intonations. This was the contents of the book. Now coming to paper pattern for second year. Paper pattern. Total marks of the paper is 100. Section number A carries 20 marks. 20 MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice questions. So in section A there would be 20 multiple choice questions and you have to attempt all of 20 MCQs and then you will carry 20 marks. Section number B carries 50 marks. Question number 2. Answer 10 parts out of 13. Part 1 and part 2 are compulsory. So there will be 10 parts. You have to attempt 10 parts out of 13. And part 1 and part 2 are compulsory. Part 1 is explain the reference to the context. Part 2 is paraphrase the stanza. So part 1 explain the reference to the context and part 2 paraphrase the stanza. These 2 parts are compulsory. You have to attempt it in any case. And then there may left 11 questions and in 11 questions you have to attempt 8. So you have to attempt 8 questions out of 11 parts, and these questions may be taken from comprehension. So in totality 8 from comprehension and 2 compulsory question. All of these in calculation make 10 parts. So you have to answer 10 parts out of 13. Part 1 and Part 2 are compulsory. Part 1 is reference to the context and Part 2 is paraphrase the stanza, and the remaining portion is from comprehension of the text. Now coming to section number C, which carries 30 marks. Answer 3 questions. Question number 3 is compulsory. So you have 4 questions. You have to attempt 3 questions out of 4, but question number 3 is compulsory. Write an essay. Which question is compulsory? Write an essay. It is a compulsory question. Then question number 4 has 2 parts. Part A, change the narration. Part B, use the following pairs of words in sentences. So you have to attempt both parts and you will get 10 marks. Question number 5, write down the summary. And question number 6, write the character sketch. So in these 4 questions, you have to attempt 3 questions. Question number 3 is compulsory, and then there is left 3 questions and there is 1 choice. You have to attempt further 2 questions. So in totality 1 compulsory question and 2 questions from choices. So it is 3 questions. So you have to attempt 3 questions in section number C. Section number A, 20 MCQs. Section number B, 2 compulsory questions along with 8 questions from comprehension. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 parts. And then in section number C, question number 3 is compulsory, and then you have to attempt only 2 from rest of these questions. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 questions. So you have to attempt 3 questions in totality from section number C. So it was introduction of book and paper pattern. It will be very helpful for you for preparing your examination. Thank you, students.